In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. Let's go ahead and go to our solution. So right now, I'm here at my Spotify app, and when I play a song here, as you can see, when I go to the next song, it automatically goes to a random one instead of going to the next song here. So how do you actually fix this? So go back to your song and open it up. Make sure that the shuffle icon is disabled. And once we go to the next song, it should play the next song that we have, which is from One Republic. So another thing that you could check here is go to the play button. Here at the mid screen, you'll be able to see the shuffle icon again. So you could just press that if you haven't played any songs, just to disable the shuffle option. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. Found this video helpful.